Fuck! Good morning, everybody. I'm so sorry I've been delaying this video for so long. Unfortunately, we've been having the worst storms ever in my area, so I wasn't able to film anything. But today we have a bit of sunshine. It's the storms have stopped for a few days, and I just wanted to bring you a few updates. First of all, I apologize I couldn't film the second part of the trim repairs because of the storms that are coming. I had to do them quickly because our garage doesn't have a window or a door. They're all open so that the wind and the storm wouldn't affect the work that we're doing. So what I do want to show you is you can see that we've already finished up and painted the gloss over all the trims, and you can see, sorry, as you can see, they are looking perfect. Like, not a single scratch, not a single crack, not a single dent, nothing. These look perfect. We did also finish the door trims as well. As you can see, we attached all the broken plastics and bits and parts that were broken. This was broken over here. Those plastics were coming up from over here. We just glued them back in with the special glue and made it look seamless. Not a single dent on it or scratch. So we will be installing these today, and I do have another surprise for you as well on what's coming up next. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram, as all my updates are put on Instagram before they come to YouTube. So that's going to be David Dion on Instagram, link in the bio, and let's get working on a BMW. So guys, we did put this side of the trim on the dash, but we're not going to be putting the middle section, which are these parts. The reason why we're not going to be putting these on at the moment is because we've taken the radio off and we've given it to get fixed. The buttons were not working on it. The radio worked, you could have used the radio, but the buttons didn't work and you couldn't see the screen wasn't working as well. So we gave that to get fixed, and we're not going to be changing it, putting them back on right now, for the sole reason that if we put them out right now, we're going to have to take them off again in a few days when the radio is here. So what's better way than not to put them on at all, and whenever the radio is back from getting fixed, we'll just put them on together. So right now we're going to be putting on the doors, and after which we're going to be heading to the surprise that I have for you. Cut. Okay guys, as you can see, we've already put back the panel and it looks amazing. Like, the difference is day and night through that fake carbon, and now this flush silver paint. Like, it looks way better. I've already put in everything. You can see that it's seamlessly right. And I'm not gonna bore you with the next door as well, so let's just, oh, by the way, I checked though. Yes, those are real JBLs, they're not fake. So yes, I'm not gonna bore you with the second door by showing you that, but it's basically the same thing as I've done here. So yeah, let's go right now and see what today's surprise is. When I told you there were wires hanging everywhere, so one of these wires that I was talking about are these two, as you can see right here. The car just circuited itself and it got shorted. It was going, smoke started to come off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tape those away from each other and then tape them one above each other, so that way they first of all cannot touch anymore, and second of all we won't burn down the car. The last thing we need is a burning car. So the rain stopped. All right, so I got a surprise for you guys. As you see here, my trunk is the regular 325 trunk, but what I got in the mail is this. It's a CSL fiberglass trunk, which sit on the trunk like that. Now, why we bought this cheap spoiler instead of buying, let's say, a carbon version, or let's say the actual one? First of all, you can't find CSL trunks, not OEM ones for the matter. And carbon fiber trunks are, first of all, the placement of the trunk is not going to be exactly, the fitment is not going to be right. I'm going to have to drill left and right to make sure that the trunk fits correctly, and other than that, they're expensive. This is an original OEM trunk. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this ugly spoiler from here and put this on, and we're going to be putting filler on it, covering up, making it into one piece, and then painting it again and putting it back. The easy thing about that is first of all cost. It's not going to cost us as much as it would if we were to buy a whole trunk made of carbon or any other material. The fitment will be perfect because it's the perfect OEM trunk, so that's that. And third of all, here's a fun fact for you. The OEM original CSL trunk is heavier than what this would be with this spoiler. Yes, I did the math and I saw it in a YouTube video, so it's probably true. I saw it in the internet, it's 100% true. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be removing this spoiler and this stupid ugly spoiler as well, and we're going to be removing the trunk, removing the lights, the logos, the number plate, everything, and covering it up because there are storms coming and going every few hours. So we're gonna cover the back of the car up so that no water would go in. We're gonna remove everything so nothing gets stolen, and then take the trunk to get installed with the spoiler and have it painted, and we're gonna bring it back. Let's cut to taking off the spoilers. So when you want to remove anything that is glued or sticked on the trunk, the best thing is that you take a piece of wire like this, you turn it around so that it wouldn't break every few seconds, and after you've done that, you put it on this side and you push down and you start pulling it. You can see as I pull through, it's taking off the glue without damaging the paint, and the spoiler will come off shortly as we reach the end, and it's off. Now this is two-sided tape, so first of all it doesn't matter that it's on, it's going to be cleaned up right now, and we're going to be sending this with the spoiler to get installed with filler and whatnot. Now the other thing that I do want to take off is this stupid spoiler. It's getting on my nerves and I want it off my car because it's the ugliest piece of shit I've ever seen, and it's not coming up. Shit. Well, we gotta figure out a way to take this off, and I don't know how. Let's cut to somewhere where I do have a plan and I know what I'm doing and I can't take it off. Shall we? We shall. It's not coming off. Fuck!
One eternity later.
So guys, we finally took it off. It was glued fixed to these things. Whoever did this to my car, if you're watching, I hope you burn in hell with Hitler. Who the fuck glues a spoiler like that? Jesus Christ. But you can see that it looks way better now without that spoiler. I'm gonna have to clean it up, but if you see how the spoiler was sitting on the back, it was like disturbing the smooth lines of the car. Now that it doesn't have that, you can see how the car just goes through the back, and where the other spoiler is gonna be, the CSL spoiler is gonna be there, and you can see how the line seemingly goes to the back of the car. I love this way better. I'm gonna have to clean this up, and hopefully it doesn't rain again, and we'll move from there. Up, there's no more glue here, and again, whoever did this, whoever installed this spoiler, I hate you from the bottom of my heart. But we're done with the spoiler. It's pretty late right now, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to take off the trunk before sundown, and I don't know when it's gonna rain, and it looks like it's gonna rain very soon. So I don't think we're going to be taking off the trunk today. We're gonna do it tomorrow, but I'll make sure to film that because simply because people were saying that the prior video had too much boring details on what I was doing. So yeah, we're not gonna do that, but I will be filming how I'm gonna be attempting to remove the trunk without any knowledge on how to remove a trunk. But that's that for now. And also, if you see right here, there's an opening that's gonna be coming soon. So if you look inside the car, there's something there. Oh, wait. Yep, there it is. See that? That's coming to be here. Yep, so that's about it. Oh, again, I bought a logo. It's the carbon black one. See how beautiful it is? Yep, it's very beautiful. Somebody stole the original one, but whoever it was, fuck you. All right? So, yeah, that's about it for now. I'll catch you guys later. And we're back. Now, I know what you're saying. Last time you saw this, it was on the trunk of the car, not in the kitchen. I know. I took it off. It's literally 2 a.m. in the morning. Everybody's asleep, but I finally took it off because there's a huge storm coming, and I had to cover the trunk and take this off. So I'm going to be taking off this, and the emblem. I'm going to throw away this emblem or keep it. I don't know. It's damaged and whatnot, and we have the beautiful carbon ones. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take off the lights, take off the license, take off the emblems, take off everything, make sure that it's ready, because tomorrow at 10 the taxi is gonna come, and we're gonna take this to get this spoiler installed. Beautiful. So until then, my name is, I should be in frame for this one. Whatever. My name is David. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe not to miss anything on the cheapest BMW e46 in the world. Make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram because most of the updates are on Instagram. So there's a video there, there's a video there. Subscribe there, here, I guess, here. Put it here. I hope I have this right. Anyways, subscribe here, and see you all guys next time. Bye bye.